Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I will talk about call by value and why it is important in Java and what it provides. So, call by value is basically for security reasons because if we directly provide the memory address of the object, it can be vulnerable and anyone can do alteration on the object value if we directly provide memory address in the program. So that's why the Java strictly support call by value. However, in case of object, it looks like call by reference, but in that as well, references are copied, not the memory address is passed to the methods. So we quickly will check how we implement call by value in Java with via different examples. In Java, all method calls are call by values only. That means when you pass a variable to a method, a copy of the variable's value is made and passed to the method. So we will understand this via one example. So here I have taken one number, integer number as 10 and printing its value and then incrementing it via one method and printing here and then again printing. So we will check the results here. Yeah, so here we see value before method call it was 10 and in the method it's 20. So this is copied value that is changed, but original value is not changed. So that's why it's printing 10 again when the method call is finished. And I will show another example as well, that is for call by reference. So Java does not support call by reference directly. But when we pass an object to a method, the method receives a copy of the reference to the object. That means that both the original reference and the copy reference points to the same object in the memory. Therefore, changes made to the object inside the method are reflected in the original object as well. So here is the example. Here I have taken integer value as a instance variable and this is constructor, and here in the main method I am creating two objects and printing its values and modifying object then printing. So I will quickly run this program. Yeah, so before modification the object's values are 10 and 10, and after modification we modify inside this method and copy of the references are passed. So it modified the original objects. That's why it's printing 11 and 20 after the call of the method. Now I will take one example of array as well. So here I have taken one integer array. Here I am printing before values and here after values, and between this modifying array. So yes, here original value is 1010 and after modification it's 2010 because array is also worked as a reference. So reference value via copied reference it changed the original value, that's why it's printing 20, and we haven't passed 10, that's why it is 10 as before. Yeah, so that is about call by reference and call by value in Java. Thank you.